to set up our brand in HubSpot. We want to look at landing pages, but before we look at landing pages, it is very important for you to set up your brand in HubSpot. And that is because when you start setting up your landing pages and all of those things, you need your brand color, you need your brand fonts, and all of this. So to set up your brand, you just go into marketing and you click on brand, which is the last one. And when you click on brand over here, you can see your brand kit. Your brand kit includes your logo, your favicon, your colors, your themes, and your fonts. So when you click on logo, for instance, you can add in your logo, you can add in the height of your logo, you can even add in the weight, the logo URL. Whenever people click on your logo, where do you want the logo to go, you can also add that in. So let's browse in a logo and just add it in. So when we click on browse images, yeah, it's taking me to my documents, and let me cancel this and let me upload from my computer. So I'm trying to upload, and let me see if I can bring one of the logos we have. Okay, so I'm bringing this in as our logo in here, CRM instructors, and I can decide to adjust the width and the height, and I can add in the logo name and just name it CRM instructors. And I can say that I want the alt text to be CRM instructors and my logo URL will be crminstructors.com. And as you can see, whenever they click on the logo, it is going to lead to this page. So when you click on update, you can click on update, or you can add in another logo if you want. So let's say we want to add in another logo and we want to create, let me upload, and we want to upload from here. I also put in assets. Okay, let me use this one and I import it in. As you can see, that logo has been added. I can also add in the name of the logo. I can also add in a domain for the logo, and I can also add in an alt text, and I can also add in my logo URL, which will be crminstructors.com, and I can also adjust the width and the height if I want, and I can add in another logo. So that too is just enough. Let's just click on update. And as you can see, my logo has been updated inside of HubSpot. The same thing applies for favicon. I can decide to bring in favicon in, and I'm just going to use this, and I'm going to name this CRM instructors. And I click on update. My favicon has been added, and I can also decide to add in the different colors I use. So let's say our primary color in CRM instructors is this shade of red, and the secondary color is maybe secondary color cannot be blue because it's not going to work, but let's just say this is our secondary color though, just for example sake. And our accent color is maybe this red, then we have another accent color with this, then we have this one, and we just use this or this. Yeah, so this is just for example sake though, I'm just adding any colors. Then for additional colors, you can use white, and you can also add in multiple colors that you have in your brand. So we are going to use black for the second one. Yeah, so we just click on update when you are done with adding all of the colors you want to add. So you can add in a particular theme that you have. Maybe you want to set a particular theme for your what's it called, for your website, for your landing pages. You can use these themes. You can use custom themes from HubSpot partners, and you can use you can check for the marketplace and see some ones that are free. I think there should be some ones that are paid also, but you might need to pay for them. But you can just check in for free ones and see how you can be able to use all of these themes. So let's view this one. For instance, this look good, and you just click on install. Since it is free, we should be able to install for free. So when you click on install for free, it is going to install this theme inside your HubSpot account, and you can see this theme in here. So you can set this as an active theme, then you can start building your landing pages with this theme. So let's go back to our brand. Okay, so let's go back to branding, and now this theme has been added, the one we just got in from the marketplace. You can also add in your font. So let's say the body of your font is maybe Montserrat. Is that correct? Montserrat, yeah. Or let's say the primary one is maybe Harrier, if you are using that. And you can also decide to use a custom font and just upload the font if you have that already in your computer. But we do not have custom fonts, so we just use whatever we have. Then you click on update. Now when you click on update, as you can see, all of this has been updated in your brand assets in HubSpot. So when you start creating landing pages, when you start creating form, when you start creating all of those things, it is going to start picking your brand assets inside all of this. So if you enjoyed this lesson up until the end, I want to say a very big thank you for watching this. And also do not forget that if you're having issues with your HubSpot, you can book a free discovery call in the description below. And we're going to help you take a look at your current setup in your HubSpot account. And we're going to help you also to be able to maximize HubSpot to the fullest potential. So book your free discovery call in the link in the description below. And do not also forget to download your free guide, which is going to help you set up HubSpot optimally. Also, do not forget to subscribe to this channel because we are going to be posting amazing content like this and we do not want you to miss out. Also like this video and also share to everyone who you think is going to find this video useful, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.